How do you feel?
I'm not so sure, but my throat hurts because my throat has phlegm.
It has phlegm in it?
Yes.
And you're coughing? What does it feel like? You told me before.
It feels like I'm hacking, like there was a cloud.
A cloud? Did you scare Devin before? What happened? Robyn, what happened when you scared Devin? In the shower, what happened? You were showering?
He started to freak out.
Who was freaking out?
Do you want me to say it?
Yes.
There was a spider in the shower and Robyn screamed and that scared me. He screamed
me.
and like I wasn't sure what was wrong, so.
There was.
Yeah.
Well, I still got the, you know that purple bottle of soap? It was still in my hair. I liked it when it was in my hair, but when I looked at it, I seriously freaked out getting out of the shower. Seriously run out.
And you screamed and Devin came running into the bathroom to see what...
Well, I was already in the bathroom. I was just like sitting, waiting, and all of a sudden he just screams and comes out the bathroom. I didn't shower anymore.
Oh, that doesn't sound healthy. Oh, maybe you won't be going in today, huh? Yeah. Oh, all right. Well,
We'll see what happens.
say goodbye.
Bye.
Herb.